and good evening. Welcome to 360DigiTMG channel, and I want to congratulate you all. Congratulations that you have chosen the path which is most trending in the industry. You probably have planned to become a data scientist or a data analyst or a data engineer, data architect, but anything to deal with data, then you are in the right path. And for that, congratulations. Now, I've joined you all today here to explain the internship program that we are offering for free to all the people who are already familiar with the data science, data analytics concepts. Free internship opportunity in association with Innodatatics. We are bringing up this particular program. This is as part of the CSR program. We basically do this community service, and we're not charging anything for this program. This is specifically for the people who have got trained, but they're not able to crack the interview. A lot of people have already undergone the training, right? Different types of trainings. But if you want to crack an interview, you need to understand what is that missing aspect in your skills. What is that industry is looking out currently? What they want? What you probably would have learned as a theoretical knowledge. Maybe you have implemented the theoretical knowledge on maybe one or two internship projects as well. But do you think you are industry ready? Taking a mock-up data, taking a sample data, which of course everybody does, building a machine learning model, that is training a model, which also everybody is doing, is not helping a business to implement analytics. It's not equivalent to that. So, understanding the business requirements, simulating the conditions, and getting the data, then training that particular algorithm, trying to evaluate it and finding the best solution. That is just one aspect of entire data science job. What industry right now is looking out is, can you help? Can you contribute in ensuring that the model that is developed by the team is consumable by the end user? In short, I'm saying, can you deploy your application and maintain it? This is what industry is focusing right now as one of the major aspects. Now, this program, the internship program, focuses on that aspect and guides you on ensuring that you gain that skill. It's a 30 days internship program that we will be doing. And here you'll be doing model deployment. And of course, you'll also understand various aspects of CRISP-MLQ methodology as part of this entire end-to-end CRISP-MLQ methodology flow is there, right? As part of this program, you'll understand what are those important aspects that you need to understand with respect to the model deployment strategies. The program will run in 2 phases. The total duration is 30 days. And we assume that people are starting at scratch with respect to the deployment aspects. The prerequisite for this particular program is that you should be familiar with machine learning capabilities. So you should be aware of machine learning models. You should be aware of your Python programming language. You should be aware of the machine learning libraries that are available in Python to implement them on business data. So there are certain skills that are required. And post that, once the model is trained, what should you do? So our team will guide you on how to deploy and how do you maintain the model which is deployed. So the initial 20 days of the program will be the learning phase. In the learning phase, you will be asked to go through a recorded video, right? We'll have the learning videos that will be shared with you. Your journey starts right from tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Python programming video. Each video will be probably a duration of 1 hour to 2 hours. That's how you need to break up your entire preparation. So take a 2-hour slot, practice on this video. Then noon, you will have another video which would be posted at 12 p.m. This would be more from a project management methodology perspective. How do you actually plan developing a machine learning model? How do you understand the data science related problems? Right? How do you document things? So process related videos will be shared. Finally, in the evening 6 p.m., the third slot, you would have deployment related videos. This is where you have to focus heavily because this is something new, right? The second video and third video will be something new for you. So you'll have to focus heavily on this and not just going through those videos for the namesake. You would also have to actively participate in the quiz that we conduct at 9 p.m. IST. And these questions will be posted on our LinkedIn page. You have to go through the LinkedIn page, subscribe to it, and participate in that fun quiz. Now, this quiz is not MCQs, friends. You'll have to answer the questions in comment section. Elaborate your answer, explain them. MCQs is very easy. That doesn't really help you to acquire knowledge that is required. So you'll have to answer the questions in short answer type or elaborate your answer in detail. So that comment section, your responses would also be highlighting your profile. When you showcase your skills to your LinkedIn profile to your interviewers, they will get impressed when you are very actively participating in these kind of debates and discussions. That will also elevate your technical capabilities. So you'll have to participate in the quiz and clearly answer document your answers. This is learning phase. After 20 days, the phase 2 begins. This is where your project hands-on phase begins. You'll have 10 days to ensure you deploy an application that our team gives you. So our team has already done the training. The best model will be given to you and you will have to deploy it. And we will have one MLOps expert assigned with you. There will be people who have already probably worked on multiple projects and they have gained all the knowledge that is required to guide you from the deployment perspective. All right. So they will be guiding you, they will be directing you, and you will have to try and implement these learnings on the project. Every weekday, Monday to Friday, you'll have a 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes means 15 minutes, exactly 15 minutes session, a meeting. And in that meeting, you'll be discussing about your plan of actions. And we will discuss about this part more when we actually reach to that project. So this is the plan that you'll have to follow. 20 and 10, 20 days and 10 days. And once you have successfully completed your project, upon successfully completing your project, you would be given a project certificate like this. You'll have your name, you'll have the project name. From 360DigiTMG, you'll get the project certificate. And this is completely free of cost, right? We don't charge it. So you might want to go through the 360DigiTMG website to gain confidence on what we do, how we do, and the other stuff. You can scroll down and try and look at various resources that are available here. And you can see our alumni here in the success stories page. You can click on this and it will redirect you to the career transition page. And you have a PDF document which gives the details about all the alumni who have successfully got placed in different big companies, big fours, right? And various other big companies like HCL, Capgemini, Deloitte, um, Cognizant, right? You can also see Fatty. You have TCS, right? Deloitte I've mentioned, PwC, Novartis, Accenture. So you can see big names here, right? And all our alumni, right? All our friends here have specifically focused on these special skills that are unique in the market, unique in the industry. That's how they are able to crack. They were able to crack these interviews. If you want to learn their insights, right? What did they do? How did they do? And all that. You might want to connect with them on their LinkedIn page. You can also look into their success stories, which are posted on our YouTube channel. If I click on YouTube channel, you will be able to see a lot of right, videos. These are the success stories, and we regularly keep doing these success stories. People who are free, who are able to come up online, right, and share their views. We invite them to come and share their experiences. You can subscribe to this channel and get all the latest of this information. And we do have a lot of other videos as well. Right? So if you click on the video section, you can see a lot of stuff. Okay. So EDA, automatic EDA libraries discussion, right? Advanced Excel. Then we can talk about data analytics, MLOps. This is what you are going to learn, machine learning operations, right? And various other things that we do. Right? As part of our journey, we try to do some experimentations. We try to invite industry experts and all that. You might want to make best use of this particular resource. Along with this, you also might want to connect to the LinkedIn, because this is where your questions, right? Your exam questions will be posted on daily basis at 9 p.m. All right. So try and connect. And right, you can always get the syntaxes like this, shortcuts, right? So a lot of our students also keep sharing their insights. So yeah, try and take the advantage of this. We have also built a prediction model, which is currently predicting on the ICC World Cup, which is Cricket World Cup, which is being conducted by India, right? Which is organized by India this year. And we have successfully predicted all the matches till date. You can also, right, use this information for various things. You know what I mean? So, yeah, you can use this AI-based prediction model, which predicts which team is going to win. You can see all this, right? India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. We have predicted that Pakistan will win, and it has won. England and Bangladesh. England will win. That is the prediction you can see here, and that's what happened. So you can basically go through these results, and right, a lot of interesting stuff is also getting posted here. We talk about various projects that we do, right? And we talk about the architectural diagrams, right? The project architectural diagrams that we have. So a lot of things that we basically do on our day-to-day activities we get posted here. Right? So this is basically the 360DigiTMG website, and this is one of our own products, in-house product that we have developed, and we have won the prestigious Digital Transformation Award from CII. Right, and this happened last week. The director, founder, Mr. Bani Kumar, has received the award in Delhi, New Delhi. So these are all various activities that we do, friends, and you should take participation in the projects that we work with, right? So we want to transition that. As a community service, we are trying to ensure that people who lack that gap, we're trying to fill that. So that is about the program, and all you require is you need to complete your machine learning, data science related trainings. It could be from anywhere, but we need a proof that yes, you have completed it, because otherwise you'll not be able to cope up with the deployment work. You need to understand how those models were developed in the first place in order to deploy it, right? If you are absolutely a new beginner and if you want to start the data science career right from the beginning, then we do conduct another internship program that is basically running on Fridays. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel and wait for the live session notification, and then you can enroll into that program. So our team will share the link to the WhatsApp group. You'll have to subscribe. I mean, you'll have to join that WhatsApp group, and within the WhatsApp group, we will be sharing a Google form. And in that Google form, you will see the details that are requested. You'll have to fill in those details, and you have to take a picture of your invoice or any proof that you can share, and that would be sufficient. And the training session will start from tomorrow. This batch will start your training phase from tomorrow. Good luck. I wish to see you all in the project phase. That's a next in, right? After 20 days, we will have project phase. I'll be connecting with you all there. In these 20 days, be active and ensure that you learn the new skills. If you have any questions, please post them. I'll take up your questions now. Okay, I see your question. Very big question. Let me read it out. Okay, see, what is your answer for this? I don't know what is your expectation. There is the specific instructions that are given. Okay, it is basically for a group of people. Okay? Everybody is equal, and we basically ask people to go through the recorded videos and complete the training. And after the training, after the 20 days duration, you will be asked to join another meeting. In that meeting, we will be giving all the instructions clearly. And everyday meeting happens from there on. If you have completed your training properly, the 20 days training phase properly, and if you have followed the instructions that are posted on that particular group, then you would have automatically entered into the 10 days program. So that is my answer for your question. If you're not active, obviously you'll miss out on all these messages. And we do have our people as admins, right? You can always contact them. Did you try to reach out to our admin people? Yeah, so try and see. If you want to try and reach out to the teams, there are many ways. Okay, try and reach out. Our team will contact you anyways. How can you do? See, whether you stay in India or US, you'll basically have the time slot, the specific time slot for the project phase. Once the project phase begins, we will give you a specific slot around this time. On everyday basis, we'll connect that, right? Connect on that meeting. And in that meeting, we will discuss on what you have to do. How do you deploy? What libraries you have to use, right? And then once the deployment is done, we will also talk about another tool which will help you to do the post-deployment activities. And you need to complete. It does not really matter where you are connected from, whether US or India, or that's immaterial. We no, we are not providing any job offers. Please understand, this is an internship program. It is not a job opportunity that we give. It's not possible to provide job opportunities to so many people. You'll have to be more practical. And we do help exceptional students with their journey into the data science career. We will help them with their preparation for the job interviews, guide them how to tune their resumes. We conduct mock interviews, and we do support them from job assistance. Okay, yeah. So hope that clarifies your question. You'll be taking part of one project. You'll not be. It's a CSR program. You have to give opportunities to other. You cannot say that I'll join both. You have to choose one of that and focus only on it. Any exam? No, not really. Every day you'll have exam on LinkedIn, not specifically after 20 days. After learning, after going through the 3 videos, at the end, you will be given a question on LinkedIn, and you'll have to update update your answers on those questions in LinkedIn. That's like exam. It's a program that is to taken up by you on a serious note. We cannot basically try to push you and say that, hey, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this, right? People who are really serious about their careers, they diligently take up the training and they diligently answer the questions. And that's the kind of attitude we need to have towards our careers. Okay, so we don't monitor on conducting exams and doing that, but we will look at your discipline. That is more important for us. This is not a training program. Please understand, this is an internship program. And whatever is required for you to accomplish, those concepts will be shared with you in the initial 20 days, and you will basically focus on the deployment related activities. So you'll have to go through only those videos specifically. We are not going to talk about computer visions and all that. Understand, the program is for deployment related activities. It is not a training. It is an internship for learning how to deploy your applications. Okay. Yeah, so our team will contact you. You're sending so many messages, right? Why don't you share your contact details with our team? We will contact you immediately after this particular session. Yes, it has nothing to do with your job or your study, right? It's an internship program. Anyone can do it. It has nothing to do with your work or your study. There's absolutely no relation there. A Google form will be given. I've already mentioned that. So you'll have to join the WhatsApp group. In the group, we will be giving you the link for your submissions. The Google form will be given. In that Google form, you can submit your details. Yeah, our team will contact you, my friend. So I also need to understand why there is so much delay. Let me take up the call. I'll call you back. All right. Any further questions, anyone? Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, the training phase begins. Morning 6 a.m. You will have the first video published in the WhatsApp group. Please enroll into the WhatsApp group because that's the community where we keep sharing the information. And as I said, journey begins from tomorrow. Looking forward to connect with you all, friends. Thank you so much, and good luck.